What is a PC without colors? Boring, that's what. So we went and checked out Colourful's booth next. Hey, I thought Colourful? Why their limited edition iGame Lab products made for overclocking look so premium like Fruit Brand on steroids? So clean with no cables. There's the all-white iGame RTX 4090 Lab OC, and this custom water block for the RTX 4090 that is apparently also ready for next-gen cards. Ooh, shiny. They even brought back the RAM cooler from circa 2009, but this one looks cooler. Get it? Apparently this year Colourful wants to be your one-stop shop. They have the Vulcan series focused on air cooling with a cool case that has this centrifugal fan that works kinda like your tower fans at home. It also includes a Vulcan branded motherboard, graphics card, RAM, keyboard and AIO cooler with a screen. Then you get the more Marhan priced Ultra series and the Mini series for mini people, a Mini ITX. They've also of course teased the upcoming chipset with a new motherboard in, you guessed it, white, and a new Z790 iGame Vulcan W, again W stands for white, which has toolless removable covers. Also got a bunch of other motherboards, but let's just get to what you're actually here for. AI ready laptops. So the Colourful AI Epoch laptops come with both 13th gen and 14th gen Intel processors and an RTX 4060 or 70, as well as Colourful AI software for image generation. How? Want me to review or not? I'm talking about the laptops lah, bodoh!